Crash course on Thailand. Why wasn't Thailand colonized? Thailand, also known as the Land of Smiles, is a country located in Southeast Asia. It is a diverse and culturally rich country that attracts millions of visitors each year. In this crash course, we will explore the history of Thailand and the reasons why it was never colonized. Thailand's history. The earliest known civilization in Thailand dates back to 4000 BCE. However, the first historical kingdom in Thailand was the Sukhothai Kingdom, which was founded in 1238. The kingdom was a center of Buddhist art and architecture and is known for its beautiful temples and statues. In the 14th century, the Ayutthaya Kingdom rose to power and became one of the most powerful kingdoms in Southeast Asia. The Ayutthaya Kingdom was known for its trade and commerce, and it established diplomatic relations with European nations such as Portugal, Spain, and the Netherlands. In the late 18th century, the Burmese invaded and destroyed the Ayutthaya Kingdom. However, a new kingdom, the Thonburi Kingdom, rose to power under the leadership of King Taksin. The Thonburi Kingdom was short-lived, and it was succeeded by the Rattanakosin Kingdom in 1782, which is the kingdom that Thailand has today. Why wasn't Thailand colonized? 1. Thailand is the only country in Southeast Asia that was never colonized by a European power. There are several reasons for this, including 2. Geographical location. Thailand is located in a strategic location that makes it difficult to conquer. The country is surrounded by mountains and has many natural barriers, such as rivers and jungles, which made it difficult for foreign powers to invade. 3. Strong monarchy. Thailand has a long history of strong monarchs who were able to unite the country and defend it against foreign powers. The monarchy played a crucial role in protecting Thailand's sovereignty and preventing it from being colonized. 4. Diplomacy. Thailand was able to establish diplomatic relations with European powers and maintain a neutral stance during periods of colonial expansion. This allowed Thailand to maintain its independence and sovereignty. 5. Unity. Thailand has a strong sense of national identity and unity, which helped to prevent foreign powers from dividing and conquering the country. Interesting stories and examples. King Naresuan. King Naresuan is a famous Thai king who is known for his bravery and leadership. He is credited with liberating Thailand from Burmese occupation in the late 16th century. According to legend, King Naresuan challenged the Burmese crown prince to a duel on elephant back and won, thus securing Thailand's independence. Siamese twins. Chong and Eng Bunker, also known as the Siamese twins, were born in Thailand in the early 19th century. They were conjoined twins who were brought to the United States and became famous for their traveling circus act. They eventually settled in North Carolina, where they married and had children. Thai cuisine. Thai cuisine is known for its bold flavors and unique combinations of spices and herbs. Some of the most popular Thai dishes include pad Thai, tom yum soup, and green curry. Thai cuisine has become popular all over the world and is considered one of the world's most delicious cuisines. Here is top attractions for international tourists. Thailand is a popular tourist destination that offers a wide variety of attractions for international tourists. Here are some of the top attractions that you should consider visiting. 1. Bangkok. Bangkok is the capital city of Thailand and is a vibrant and bustling metropolis that is famous for its street food, shopping, and nightlife. Some of the top attractions in Bangkok include the Grand Palace, Wat Phra Kew, Temple of the Emerald Buddha, Wat Pha, Temple of the Reclining Buddha, and the Chatuchak Weekend Market. 2. Chiang Mai. Chiang Mai is a cultural and historical city in northern Thailand that is known for its ancient temples, markets, and natural beauty. Some of the top attractions in Chiang Mai include Wat Phra That Doi Suthep, the Night Bazaar, the Sunday Walking Street Market, and the Mae Sa Elephant Camp. 3. Phuket. Phuket is a beautiful island in southern Thailand that is famous for its beaches, nightlife, and water sports. Some of the top attractions in Phuket include Patong Beach, Karen Beach, Phang Nga Bay, and the Phi Phi Islands. 4. Ayutthaya. Ayutthaya is an ancient city in central Thailand that was once the capital of the Ayutthaya Kingdom. The city is famous for its historical temples and ruins, which are UNESCO World Heritage Sites. Some of the top attractions in Ayutthaya include Wat Mahathat, Wat Phra Si Sanpet, and the Ayutthaya Historical Park. 5. Sukhothai. Sukhothai is another ancient city in northern Thailand that is known for its historical temples and ruins. The city is also a UNESCO World Heritage Site and is home to the Sukhothai Historical Park. Some of the top attractions in Sukhothai include Wat Mahathat, Wat Si Chum, and Wat Phra Phai Luang. 6. Railay Beach. Railay Beach is a beautiful beach located in Krabi province that is only accessible by boat. The beach is famous for its crystal clear waters, limestone cliffs, and rock climbing. Some of the top activities in Railay Beach include rock climbing, kayaking, and snorkeling. 7. Khao Yai National Park. Khao Yai National Park is a beautiful national park located in central Thailand that is home to a wide variety of wildlife, including elephants, tigers, and gibbons. The park is also famous for its waterfalls and hiking trails, which offer stunning views of the surrounding landscape. These are just some of the top attractions that Thailand has to offer. Whether you are interested in culture, history, nature, or adventure, Thailand has something to offer everyone. Conclusion. Thailand is a fascinating country with a rich history and culture. Its ability to resist colonization is a testament to its strong sense of national identity and unity. Thailand's unique geography, strong monarchy, diplomacy, and unity all played a role in its independence. From its brave kings to its delicious cuisine, Thailand is a country that is sure to capture the imagination of anyone who visits. Here is a poem on Thailand. In Thailand, the land of smiles. The sun shines bright, for endless miles. With temples, grand and ancient ruins. It's a land that's full of intriguing hues. From the bustling streets of Bangkok to the tranquil islands of Phuket, there's a charm in every corner that will leave you in awe and respect. In Chiang Mai, the misty mountains rise, and the temples glimmer in the morning light. While in Sukhothai, the ancient city speaks of a grandeur that's simply mighty. The beaches of Krabi, they are divine, with clear blue waters and white sand so fine. While the Khao Yai National Park is a nature lover's paradise, with beauty so stark. The food is spicy and full of flavor, with a mix of sweet, sour, and savory savor. And the people, they're warm and welcoming, with a grace and hospitality that's truly spellbinding. Thailand, the land of smiles, is a world of wonder with endless styles. It's a place that will make your heart skip a beat and leave you with memories that are nothing short of sweet. ******, start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html $aid equals 7989335 as a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for support our AnHub Metaverse channel, and please watch more interesting videos here.